Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the 10 best-selling kitchen gadgets on Amazon that you should absolutely consider buying in 2026. These are real top sellers that people are buying right now, and I'll walk you through what each product does and why it's so popular. Let's jump straight into number 10. Number 10 is this digital sous vide immersion circulator. If you love perfectly cooked steak, chicken, or vegetables, sous vide cooking is a total game changer. This device keeps water at a precise temperature so your food comes out juicy and evenly cooked every single time. It's beginner-friendly, super accurate, and works with almost any pot. Product link is in the description. Number 9 is a vacuum sealer machine. This gadget helps your food last up to 5 times longer by removing air from storage bags. Perfect for meal prep, freezing meat, or pairing with your sous vide cooker. It's compact, easy to use, and saves a ton of money on groceries. Number 8 is a large-capacity slow cooker. If you love hands-off cooking, this one is for you. Just add your ingredients, set the time, and come back to a fully cooked meal. Great for soups, stews, pulled pork, and busy families. Number 7 is a multi-function electric pressure cooker. This is one of Amazon's biggest bestsellers for a reason. It works as a pressure cooker, rice cooker, steamer, yogurt maker, and slow cooker, all in one. It can turn a 1-hour recipe into a 10-minute meal. Number 6 is a smart air fryer, crispy food with little to no oil. You can fry, bake, roast, and reheat using presets, or even control it from your phone. Perfect for healthier cooking without sacrificing taste. Number 5 is a stainless steel pressure cooker. This classic kitchen tool cooks food up to 70% faster than traditional methods. Durable, safe, and ideal for soups, beans, rice, and tender meats. A must-have for anyone who cooks often. Number 4 is a programmable rice cooker. If you eat rice regularly, this will completely change your routine. Perfect rice every time, plus it handles quinoa, oatmeal, and steaming veggies. Simple, reliable, and extremely popular on Amazon. Number 3 is a compact digital air fryer oven. This model gives you air frying plus baking and roasting in one device. Great for small kitchens, but powerful enough for family meals. Number 2 is another advanced sous vide cooker with app control. More precise temperature control, quieter motor, and Bluetooth or Wi-Fi support. This is for serious home cooks who want restaurant-level results. And finally, number 1 is a smart multi-cooker with touchscreen controls. This is currently one of Amazon's top kitchen bestsellers. It combines pressure cooking, slow cooking, sautéing, steaming, and air frying in one machine. If you only buy one kitchen gadget this year, this might be it. All 10 product links are waiting for you in the description below. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Amazon bestseller reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.